So, since my favorite mascara, the Kiko Ultra Tech, has been discontinued a few months ago, I have been looking for the next best thing, and I found a few that I like, but I haven't found anything that I like as much as I like the Kiko. Hi everyone, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Nisha and we talk here about feeling and looking great after 40. So if you would like to join our Sugar Puff family, please hit that subscribe button and then remember to hit the bell button next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, that really helps. Okay, so here is the packaging. It comes in this lovely red box that it says Nars Climax Mascara, and this is the tube that it comes in. It's beautiful, beautiful red. It's a bit unusual, I suppose, for Nars, as Nars always usually have black suede packaging. I do really like it, but that's not the most important thing. I know that this mascara is not available yet as I'm filming this video in the UK in any shops. I got mine directly from Nars Cosmetics website, but I think in the US it is already available at Ulta. So let me first read you what this mascara promises. So what it says: reach your climax with explosive volume building mascara. Lash Moisture Complex in Nars Climax Mascara allows for whipped creamy formula that lifts and builds without clumping or smudging. Lashes feel soft, never heavy or stiff. The exclusive full-bodied brush has ribbed bristles that capture and coat each lash for an instant, intense effect. Blackened pigments are smoothly wrapped from root to tip for rich color and bold dimension. So let's have a look at the brush. So I haven't used this mascara, it arrived yesterday, so this is first time I'm trying it, and let's have a look. Okay, so here is the brush. The bristles are not like the plastic ones, they look like just normal bristles. I am not sure, and obviously we can't see it, but they're supposed to be, each bristle is supposed to be ribbed so you can grip every lash. They are very, very dense, which is very promising, because I think the denser the brush, the more coverage you get on each lash. So as you can see, I don't have any mascara on. I've got very light eye makeup, so you can see the mascara really well. So let's try it. Okay, straight away I can tell you, love the brush. To me it is very important when you put the brush at the root of your lashes that you feel that grip, that resistance. I hate mascaras that have bendy ones, you know, that they bend, because it feels when you try to get this resistance you can't because the brush is bending. This is doing well. So let's do one coat. It is not clumping. It feels like it's gripping every single lash. So that's one coat. Let's dip the mascara in again and let's try to build it up. I like to put a lot of mascara. I like to build the volume, and with some mascaras you can't do it because they are too wet or really clumpy. I love it. It's not too wet and it's not too dry. It just seems to have perfect consistency. Let's do the bottom lashes. It has this little tip. Oh, that's quite good. So you can actually go like this with the little tip and cover and coat your bottom lashes. Well, first impression, I love it. I like to build up my mascara. I know I went straight after the first coat. Usually I do my other eye, so this one will dry a bit and then I go back in. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do the other eye. And I would like to say that my lashes are not at their best at the moment. You know, I always use Shiseido lash growth serum, but I've explained to you before, when you're using it, your lashes then achieve the maximum length and thickness, and then they start falling out. Obviously not all at the same time, but they will start falling out and the new ones growing out. So I am a bit in between. So I'm at that phase when some of them fell out and I can see little ones growing back up. So my lashes are not at their best at the moment, but can you see I've got a little gap here? Wow. I think that could be my next favorite mascara. Okay, let's do. I really love it. I tried doing that with other mascaras, you know, just using the tip, and it never really works, but this works really, really well. Okay, I'm going to go back onto this eye and try to build it up even more. So as you can see, with one coat you can get pretty lovely effect, but if you want to build it up, as you can see, it's not really clumping them. And I love the brush. I always say brush is probably the most important part of mascara. Of course the formula is important, that it doesn't smudge and all that, but the brush does all the work. So what do you think? I think it's great. Obviously we have to see how it wears, so I will keep this mascara for the rest of the day and I will come back after a few hours and tell you if it flaked, if it smudged, because I think that's quite important for a lot of you. So we will do that. So this is what it looks like with about 3 coats of it. And I will see you a bit later for an update. Hello, I'm back. So it has been 7 hours of me wearing this mascara. So let's have a look. Okay. I think I have some little crumbly bits here. Can you see? But very, very minute. So I've been just going about my day. I've been walking my dog. I've redone my nails. And yeah, it looks still really nice. I wouldn't say they are completely soft, but they are not stiff. So yeah, I don't have any other marks or anything. I just had a couple of little crumbly bits below my eye. Now, I've just checked, so as you probably know, Sephora has stopped shipping to UK completely. You can't even get onto a Sephora US website. You will be redirected to Sephora France. But the good news is that if you are desperate for this mascara before it comes out in the UK, you can order it from France. I've just checked, the delivery is €5.90, which is about £4. That's not too bad, £4-5. And of course, because it's from Europe, we wouldn't be paying any duties. So I will leave you the links to that mascara in the description box, and also I will see how this mascara removed tonight. And if I've got anything else to tell you about this mascara, please look in the description box. By the time this video comes out, I will know a bit more. So if I've had any problems, I will put it in the description box. But so far so good. I love this mascara. First impressions, love it. I really approve, so I would recommend this mascara definitely. Okay, my lovelies, so please let me know if any of you have already tried this mascara and if you liked it. But for now, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.